I'm Michael from KTM Suspension. We've come to Fat Cat Motor Park today to do a test with our own KTM modified bike. What we've done is fitted our ORVS piston kit to the damping side of the cartridge and then our ORSS2 spring cartridge. So in the front of the bike, what we've done there is basically removed all of the standard internals and then fitted our own ones in there, but still keeping standard externals of the forks. So it gives people an affordable option to modify the front of their bike over standard. Then moving to the rear of the bike, we fitted our bladder conversion as opposed to the divided piston reservoir on the standard unit, and then done a piston modification internally as well. And then this has all been sprung and set up to the rider's weight. And what we've done today is we've come up with a number of different riders, many different levels, and we've come to Fat Cat today because it's an excellent testing facility. They've got a brilliant setup here, and they've left the track nice and rough for us, so you'll get to see what the suspension's working like.